Hi friends, I have something important for you. If you're having any Python kind of error in your code or bug issues or any kind of error in your Python code, I'll help you fix it through fiverr.com. My link is at the description below. So it is just for $5 and it's under 24 hours. I'll perfectly and quickly fix the error you have in your script, any kind of error you have your script that you know that is so difficult for you to fix. So let's get started right away. Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to open an image in your computer using just Python, just with 3 lines of code. So let me run the program now. Once I run the program now, it opened an image from my computer. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. So let's get started. Please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and please do not forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below. So let's get started. Actually, this is a tutorial for beginners, for absolute beginners. If you are willing to learn more about Python programming or more about it, this is just a beginner and an easy stuff for any beginner to do. I'll just write from the first thing you do is write PIL, then import uh image. Also, if you haven't installed this PIL, just go and write. Maybe now when you write this PIL, now you see an option that will display in which you have to import it. If you in which you will have to click on import, and you just import it with your internet connection being on. So from here now, just write RR is going to be equal to, then let's the variable we are going to write open. The name of it is going to be display. I'll write display. Then display is going to be equal to image dot open. Image dot open. Then we are going to look at the directory, whatever directory we have now. So we want to open this one right over here. This but so our directory now, here's how you are going to write your directory here. I'll copy and paste this right over here. Then the name of the the name of the image you want to open, I'll write hello. Then is it a PNG format? It's a PNG format. If it's PNG, write .png. If it's JPG, you write JPG. So we'll just put this right over here. I'll clear this right over here. Then I'll write R. Right, don't forget this R. You must impute it, or else it won't work. So after that, you are just going to write display dot show. So let's run it now and see what is going to happen now. Now it displays our image now. So now you can see it loads our image automatically. So that's how to load an image using Python, using just 3 lines of Python, with just using 3 lines of Python programming. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Hi friends, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and please do not forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.